We are the Alterarists team. Mustafa Nagati, Omar Abdulwahab, Ahmed Anwar, Yusuf Sameh, Mohammed Biltagi, and me, Ahmed Ihab. We are seeing nowadays that our lives became really tough and hard. So we decided to make something to make our lives easier. And our proposal would be inside our home. The first one would be a secured home, which works that if you left your home and anyone tried to enter it, you will be notified, or the police in your city will be notified. The other thing would be a light system for the home, a smart light system for the home, which works by starting the lights if you are at night or if the light intensity is low. The third thing would be a temperature controlled home that works by heating the room or cooling the room as for the temperature you're having. Our colleagues will be talking about the functionalities. Thank you.
I'm Ahmed Anwar and I'm going to talk about the security system in our project. The security system consists of an IR sensor and a servo motor which corresponds to the security lock. When the owner of the house activates the security system by this button, anyone who cuts the IR range will have only 60 seconds to insert the right PIN code. If he didn't insert the right code, the buzzer will simulate. The buzzer here will simulate the security alarm, and if he insert the right code, the servo motor will unlock the door.
Hello, I'm Mustafa Nagati and I will be demonstrating the security system with the lock. So we assume that the residents of the house will leave the house, so they will activate the security. So the house will lock the doors. Now we will simulate someone passing in front of the IR sensor. So if someone passes by, the counter will begin and it should count to 60 seconds. And in this 60 seconds, if someone enters the correct passcode on the switches, which is up, down, down, up, and then he submits this passcode, the servo motor simulates unlocking the doors. The second case is if the counter reaches 60 seconds and no correct password is entered, then a buzzer should ring to simulate calling the police and indicating that there is a thief in the house. So when it reaches 60 seconds, the buzzer rings.
Hello, my name is Yusuf Sameh and I'm going to explain the temperature module. First, here we have a temperature sensor which sends an analog signal to the ADC converter, which converts the analog signal received to a digital signal to the Altera board. As you can see, the temperature displayed here is 34. It's not very well calibrated, but if I touch the temperature sensor with my fingers, the temperature is going to rise. As you can see, it's starting to rise. The wires are not very well, reaching 40 degrees.
My name is Omar Abdulwahab and I will talk to you about the temperature regulators in the smart home. So if the temperature is too high, we will make the fan work, but as we cannot control the temperature, we will demonstrate it with two buttons. This button will make the fan work. If you press this button, the fan will work. If you press it again, the fan will stop. And if the temperature is too low, then we will open the heater. We will simulate it by this button. If we press this button, the heater, this is the bulb which simulates the heater. If we press it, the heater will start, and if pressed again, the heater will stop.
My name is Mohammed Biltagi. I was responsible for the LDR functionality. What is the LDR briefly? It is based on an idea that in our modern time we have to save energy. So the LDR senses if there is enough light in the room, it turns off the lights of the room, but if the room is dark, it turns on the light so that everyone in the room can have light. I will show it to you quickly. This is a switch that opens the circuit or gives electricity to the circuit. Now the bulb is turned off because there is enough light in the room. If we turn off the light of the room, the bulb is activated and we have light. Now if we turn on the light another time, the bulb is saving electricity and turned off.